phakamisa pelepele babela basendiwe idlala phansi Riavaya Sepanga Riavaya Muremi bayambuka nje umeyedwa uthatha ithombe uthatha selfie eyedwa uMuremi akekho yakuye lidiflecte kuSilva yadlala TV imali nomipogis.
Flavio Silva nods it infield. Nebuchadnezzar Maboy battling away. Oh, excellent stuff from Sibeli Bele. And Apollos looking for the second. He's got it. Flag stays down. The Buccaneers double the lead.
I can tell you, Jason. Goal.
Now have a look, is he behind? There's the ball through. No, he looks onside. He's put onside by McCarthy.
Possibly, yes.
Tight call. Excellent finish from Oswin Apollos.
Quality, top quality. Looks at the goalkeeper, who picks the spot. It's cadence down.
2-0 now, Orlando Pirates firmly in command.
Page i Orlando Pirates. Yematota. Evidence Makopa. Bengenga asho engena. Natige umanta na kuitari. Yenenge Evidence Makopa. Bayambuka nje ale Kaizer Chiefs bayambheka nje ale Kaizer Chiefs kodwa ke nabo ngomyayona bengena lapha ke enkundleni akubheka nje
Dinyazi, I'm low, I know.